Hello, my name is Adam, and today I'm going to be sharing my science fair experiment with you. I am demonstrating how water released from a dam affects erosion downstream. Alright, so first we have to take a scooper and get it in the sand and come over here and dump it in the sand, in the trough thingy, and spread it out nice and flat. And this is going to represent the Chattahoochee River. You have to spread it out nice and flat. And there's little fine sands under here glued down to represent the rocks. And then this is to represent the mud and sand on top of the rocks. Because if you went and walked in the river, your feet... Alright, now we have reached our stage where we will be doing our experiment. We are going to pour the water in here. There are 3 little tiny holes right there. And it's going to fall right there and go down, and we're going to measure the erosion after the experiment. Go down, we have a pump here. It's going to pump back up here and around and go back in and do it again. Alright, let's get started. Alright.
I'm ready when you are.
We're going to pour the water in. Here we go. Is it going to?
Yeah. It's just going to take a minute to get started. Don't touch anything. It's okay.
Push it forward just a little bit.
I got it. I got it.
Now we have to plug in our pump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now it's going to start pumping the water once it gets there.
You see how much silt comes out with the water?
Can you
Yes, you can see it.
If you looking in there, there's the fine sand coming out from the trough as well with the water, and some of the normal sand.
Well, we'll let this run for
several minutes,
about
30 minutes, and we'll observe it and get back to you in a few seconds. Alright, so now we have let our bucket run. There's water in the bucket running into the trough, and it has created some erosion, but not a whole lot. There's some lines and stuff, and it took away lots of the sand in West Point Lake down here. And we have observed that less water did not cause as much erosion as hopefully more water will, which we will soon test in a few minutes. Thank you. Alright, now we are going to do trial 2 with more sand and twice as many holes as the last time. So let's pour the water in.
And what's the flow rate going to be?
The flow rate will be 2.5 times the last one. And make sure the bucket is out over it. Right there.
You ready? Help me pour it.
Here it comes.
Here we go. And now we'll have to go and get more water.
Oh, well.
Now we are back with more water that we will pour in to make it go long. And if you look over here, we have a pump that runs down the side of the table into a bucket over here. catch the water and then lift it back up into it. The water is running down and eroding the sand away. Down here, it is carrying many of these sand particles into there.
Is the water running faster this time or the same?
The water is running much faster because there's twice as many holes. Cut. This one has a big outcome.
If you scoot it up too far, it won't balance and you'll dump the whole thing over on the ground.
I know. It's a waterfall. Add some more water to make the process go longer. Our pump failed on us, so we're swapping out the buckets, and we have done that 3 times now. Erosion is happening more, as I can see in there, and we will be able to see more at the end of the experiment. We will tell you when we find out how much erosion happens when more water is in the station.